Find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum values of the function. We have this function on the given interval from 0.5 through 3. Look at this function. The domain of this function is all real numbers except 0, because 1 over 0 is undefined. So all real numbers except 0. But our interval is just, we are considering from 0.5 through 3. So 0 is not even included. So we are good. We don't have to worry about 0. Okay. So first we want to find the critical numbers of this function. To find the critical numbers, we find the derivative of the function. Okay. So the derivative is, we got two terms. So this is same as, in fact, x plus 1 over x is x raised to negative 1. And derivative of x is 1 plus, this is like xn. So the derivative is n x n minus 1. Let's simplify. 1 plus minus minus 1 x raised to negative 2. Put that on the bottom. So 1 over x raised to positive 2. Okay, that's the derivative. Now to find the critical numbers, we set the derivative 0. That means 1 minus 1 over x squared equals 0. Now solve for x. Subtract 1 from both sides. We get negative 1 over x squared equals negative 1. We can cancel negative from both sides. Cross multiply, because 1 is 1 over 1. We get x squared equals 1. Take a square root both sides, so x equals plus minus 1. That means we got two critical numbers, plus 1 and minus 1. But minus 1 is not in this interval, so we disregard that. We just consider x equals 1. Okay, so this is a critical number. Notice this derivative 1 minus 1 over x squared is undefined at x equals 0. But x equals 0 is not in the domain. So x equals 0 is not a critical number. And that does not belong inside our interval anyways. Now we evaluate the function, this given function, at the critical number 1, because negative 1 is outside of this, and at the endpoints of the closed interval. So let's do over here x and corresponding function value, critical number 1, and the endpoints 0.5 and 3. Plug in 1 into the function x plus 1 over x, then we get 2. Plug in 0.5 plus 1 over 0.5, we get 2.5. 3 plus 1 over 3 is 10 thirds, or 3.33, 10 thirds, which is 3.33. So from these values we can see the absolute max that happens at 3. By the way, the value is 3.33 or 10 thirds, and absolute minimum value that occurs at 1, which is 2.